and we're here at the 2016 St. Petersburg Boat Show. I want to talk a little bit about the solar fishing pole. This is a self-contained unit, 30 watts, designed to plug directly into your cigarette lighter. During the course of the day, catch some rays. This is going to harvest up to, say, average 10, 11 amp hours of energy for you. Check it out. Come see us at the St. Petersburg Boat Show.